Let's look at a couple of ways to do this question. So we are told that rectangle has area 120 and perimeter 46. I'm going to say that one length is A and the other is B. I'll say that B is the longer length. Then AB equals 120, and the perimeter is going to be 2A plus 2B. That's 46, which means A plus B itself is then going to equal 23. Okay, method one, we actually don't need to work out what A and B are. Method two, I'm going to work them out. Because what we actually want for the length of the diagonal is the A squared plus B squared square rooted. That will give me the length of my diagonal. But if I take this second equation and square it, so A plus B times A plus B, then I'm going to get 23 squared, which I'll just leave like that for the moment. But that will give me A plus B all squared. Now, if I expand the brackets, I'll get A squared plus B squared plus 2AB equal to 23 squared, which tells me that A squared plus B squared is going to equal 23 squared minus 2 lots of AB, so minus 240. Okay, we are going to have to figure this out now. It's not a difference of 2 squares or anything. So 23 times 23 is going to give us 69 and 460, which then adds together to give 529. If I then do 529 minus 240, I get 982. 289 is a squared plus b squared, which means the square root of a squared plus b squared will be the square root of 289, which is 17. Method 2, we're going to solve to find a and b. What I could do here is make a the subjects, so a is equal to 23 minus b, and sub it into this equation. So it will become 23 minus b times b equals 120. That's 23b minus b squared equals 120, which I can rearrange to b squared minus 23b plus 120 equals 0. We've got a quadratic to solve now. It's actually going to turn out in this method we don't have quite as many complicated calculations though, despite the quadratic. So we know that for this to factorize, that's what we're seeking to do. If it didn't, if the numbers were more awkward, then yeah, this might not be a good way to go with quadratic formula, etc. But okay, so I need them both to be negative to get that positive 120, but a negative here. And if you try out 15 and 8, then it works. So B is 8 or 15. And then A would equal 15 or 8. It's not really going to matter. Like I said, B was the longer one. So I'll go with 15 and 8 here. Okay, and then finally we can do 8 squared plus 15 squared square rooted, or you might even recognize it as an 8, 15, 17 Pythagorean triple. But if not, it's going to be 64 plus 225 square rooted, which will get us back to the square root of 289 and hence 17. Good job.